Hi there, welcome to another C++ video tutorial. I'm Josef Bodnar. In this video tutorial, I will make an application in C++ which will reverse the order of elements of a one-dimensional array. I have already done a few lines in this code. I declared this array A which has 10 elements and this integer variable I. This integer variable I will be used through these applications as an index for this array A and as a counter for loop. On these lines, this for loop is going to initialize the array A. This cout object will display in console each element of this array A, and this cin object is going to read in memory each value of each element of this array A, which I'm going to type from keyboard. Okay, so let's complete this application. First, I want this application to display in console the order of elements of this one-dimensional array A reversed. Okay, so let's do so. So I'm going to use another loop for. Let's copy this loop for and paste it here. Yeah, part of this code I can use it. So let's do here a few changes. I'm going to assign this variable A with 9, and here I'm going to change this test. And here this counter from I++ to I minus minus. And here I'm going to add this. And let's remove this object cin because I don't need it anymore. Okay, let's compile this application. All is alright. No errors. Let's release this application in console. Here you go. So let's type the value for each element. Let it be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Enter. Here you go. The element of this array A was displayed reversed, as you can see. But I have a problem with this application. Actually, this array just was displayed reversed in this console, but I want each element to be changed its value. This value, which is assigned for the first element, I want to appear to the last element, and the second element to be swapped with the last but one element of this array A, and so on. I want this application in computer memory to reverse the elements of this array A, not just to be displayed in console, because how it appears now in console, this array A has the same order. Its elements wasn't changed, wasn't reversed its order, just was displayed its order reversed, but not in computer memory. So let's do so. Okay, here I'm going to add another loop for. Actually, this part of code is going to reverse the element of this array A. I'm going to declare another integer variable named reverse. Okay, and here I'm going to change this loop 4. Okay. What I have done here, actually this part of code will swap the element of this array to be in order reversed. So this variable reverse is used as an intermediary variable. On this line it will be assigned with each element of this array A, beginning with the first element of this array A, and after on this line this reverse variable, which hold each value of the elements of A array beginning with the start element, will be assigned to again to A array, but this time A array will be started with the last element. That means the value of first element will be assigned to the last element of a variable. Here on this line, actually it will be done the swap. This is going to look like that. First element, which has the index 0, will be swap with the last element which has the index 9. Second element which has the index 1 will be swap with the last but one element which has the index 8. This is the kind for working of this application, and so on. And because I've got this test here inside this loop 4, for loop goes through the A array to the middle, and is going to change every pair, every 2 elements of this array A, as I showed you here. Okay, let's compile this application. No errors, and let's release it in console. Okay, let's type the value of this array. Let it be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here we go. Now you can see you have the elements in order reserved of this array A. What is that changed? The first element, which has this index 0, was assigned by 10. This value was before on the last element of this array. Second element, it now is assigned by 9, and 9 was before on the last but one element which has this index 8. So the first element was swapped with the last. The second was swapped with the last but one, and so on. And as you can see, every 2 elements of this array A was changed between them. Over here you can see this element of A array was changed. Its order was reversed. So that's all for now. Thank you for watching this video tutorial. See you next time.